Before we get into the video, check out my makeup manual. I created this for you to provide you my technique that I use on the ladies you see here. The full guidelines are exclusive to the download, plus you get a bonus list of my favorite products. Link in the description below. Now let's get into it. As always, I start by prepping the skin. At minimum, you want to cleanse, tone, and moisturize before applying primer. This will set the foundation before the foundation. See what I did there? When I'm applying primer, especially if it's clear, I like to place it on the main parts of the face before blending. You want to blend from the center of the face outward. I like to start my application with outlining the brows first and prepping the lids for eyeshadow. You can use concealer for all this, but today I'm using foundation above the brows. For today's look, I didn't know what I was gonna do. I just knew I wanted to do something fun and colorful. For the last 4 years, soft glam and neutrals have had everyone in a chokehold, and I just wanted to switch it up. Don't get me wrong, I love the neutral shades of a soft glam, but let's do that and add some color. The colors I chose today were inspired by my model's shirt, so I went with red and copper shades to complement her top and emphasize the eyes. When I'm applying metallic shades, I like to use the sponge applicator because you get a much better color payoff much faster. I wanted to add more depth and dimension to the outer corners of her eyes. So to do that, I'm going in with my favorite Juvia's Place, the chocolate palette, and I'm using the dark brown. To get the perfect wing, you want to have your client open her eyes and look straight ahead. You will then angle the wing at the point where her lower lid and the corner of her eye meet. The further you extend the wing, the more dramatic the look will be. The same goes for thickness. The thicker the liner, the more dramatic the look. Now that I have the liner complete, I'm going to smoke it out a little bit with some black eyeshadow. And for that, I'm using the Makeup by Mario matte palette. It's really important to make sure you fully cover your client's nose. In the creases, I roll and pat the brush to cover those small areas. Concealer shade and placement is what's going to provide that beautiful contrast and dimension to the face. I generally go 3 shades lighter than the foundation for this. As I'm blending, I'm pressing the concealer into the skin and softening the edges so that it blends seamlessly with the foundation and so it will last until my client removes it, which would be at the end of her day because we don't sleep in makeup. That's terrible for your skin and it's nasty. Even though she's baking, you see that beautiful halo effect on her face. Couple of random fun facts about my model / client. Number 1, her brows are the ones featured in my viral brow tinting video because her brows are literally perfect. And she used to be a ballerina and a tap dancer. How cool is that? I wanted her blush to be dramatic, like Harajuku style. So I applied it heavy and extended it to her temples because we're having fun with makeup. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe and get into this word real quick.